A DMV Handicap parking permit is an essential accommodation for individuals whose mobility is significantly limited by a medical condition. For many people, walking long distances, navigating crowded parking lots, or standing for extended periods can cause pain, fatigue, or serious health risks. Accessible parking is designed to reduce these challenges and help individuals maintain independence and safety in everyday life. Mobility conditions can arise from a wide range of medical issues. These may include orthopedic injuries, arthritis, neurological disorders, cardiovascular disease, respiratory illnesses, limb loss, spinal cord injuries, or chronic pain conditions. While the specific diagnosis varies, the common factor is that the condition substantially limits a person's ability to walk or move safely. Eligibility for a disability permit is determined by state-specific medical criteria. Although requirements differ slightly across states, most focus on functional limitation rather than diagnosis alone. For example, many states consider whether an individual is unable to walk a certain distance without stopping to rest, relies on assistive devices such as a wheelchair, walker, or cane, requires supplemental oxygen, or experiences severe limitations due to cardiac or pulmonary conditions. Some states also include significant visual impairments as qualifying conditions. A licensed healthcare provider plays a central role in the application process. Medical certification is required to confirm that the applicant meets the legal standards for accessible parking. The provider must evaluate the individual's condition and document how it affects mobility. Clear and accurate medical documentation is critical to ensure proper review and approval. States generally offer two types of permits: temporary and permanent. A temporary permit is typically issued for short-term conditions, such as recovery from surgery, injury, or a medical event that temporarily restricts movement. These permits are valid for a defined period and may require renewal if the condition persists. Permanent permits are issued for long-term or lifelong disabilities that are not expected to improve significantly. The application process usually begins with obtaining the appropriate form from the state's motor vehicle agency. The applicant completes the personal information section, and the healthcare provider completes the medical certification portion. Once the form is finalized, it is submitted according to state guidelines, which may include in-person delivery, mail, or online submission in some locations. After approval, the permit must be properly displayed when parking in designated accessible spaces. Clear display ensures compliance with state laws and allows enforcement officers to verify authorization. It is important to remember that the permit is issued to the individual, not to a specific vehicle. It may only be used when the eligible person is present in the vehicle. Accessible parking spaces are carefully designed to enhance safety and ease of use. They are located near building entrances to minimize walking distance. These spaces are also wider than standard parking spots and include access aisles that provide room for mobility devices and safe vehicle transfers. For individuals using wheelchairs, walkers, or prosthetics, the extra space is essential. Responsible use of a disability permit is crucial. Misuse, such as allowing someone else to use the permit without the eligible individual present, can result in fines, penalties, or revocation. Protecting the integrity of accessible parking ensures that these limited spaces remain available for those who truly depend on them. Beyond physical convenience, a permit can provide emotional reassurance. Many individuals with mobility conditions carefully manage their energy levels and physical capabilities throughout the day. Knowing that accessible parking is available reduces stress and supports better planning for appointments, errands, and social activities. Mobility limitations are not always visible. Some individuals may appear outwardly healthy while experiencing significant internal challenges such as chronic pain, severe fatigue, or cardiopulmonary restrictions. Public awareness of invisible disabilities is important in fostering understanding and respect for accessible parking accommodations. Renewal requirements vary by state and permit type. Temporary permits must be renewed if the qualifying condition continues. Permanent permits may require periodic renewal to confirm updated information. Keeping track of expiration dates and maintaining copies of medical documentation can make future renewals easier. In addition to obtaining a permit, individuals with mobility conditions may benefit from adaptive equipment, rehabilitation services, or assistive devices that further enhance independence. Accessible parking works alongside these supports to create a safer and more manageable daily routine. Ultimately, a DMV handicap parking permit is more than a parking authorization. It is a practical tool that promotes equal access, independence, and dignity. By reducing walking distances and providing safer parking conditions, it helps individuals with mobility conditions participate fully in community life. Through proper medical certification, responsible use, and understanding of state regulations, eligible individuals can benefit from the accessibility accommodations designed to support them. Accessible parking reflects a commitment to inclusion, ensuring that physical limitations do not prevent meaningful engagement in everyday activities. For those navigating life with mobility challenges, a disability permit represents thoughtful accommodation and community support. It transforms parking from a barrier into a manageable step in the journey, reinforcing the importance of accessibility for all. We truly hope this video made things clearer for you. Navigating the disabled parking process can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to figure it out alone. If you need a handicapped placard or plate and want a simpler, more convenient option, visit handicappedparking.com. We connect you with licensed doctors online so you can complete everything from home without the stress or guesswork. Our mission is to make the process easier and help you gain the independence and mobility you deserve. If you're unsure about your eligibility or running into obstacles, reach out to us. We're here to help guide you every step of the way. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful information about handicap parking permits and drop your questions in the comments below. We're always glad to support our community. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.